Hello student, I hope you are happy and enjoying. Today I will tell you composition of the function. Let us see what do you mean by composition of function. The term composition means combining of the function. It is not a simple addition. Combining means combining means we can just combine the function by the help of some rule. Means one function over another function. Right? Let us see. There are two way of combining the function. Number first, FOG, FOG. Number second, GOF, G of F. Right? Let us understand by help of, understand one by one FOG and GOF. Okay. Let F A to B. F is a function defined from A to B, and G is a function defined from G to F to B to C, right? You must understand that for defining graph and fog, we need to understand that the domain of the first codomain of the first function must equal with the domain of the second function. This is for graph, right? Okay. Then graph is defined as GOF A to C. Let us understand this graph by the help of the following diagram. We have three sets ABC, right? Let domain of the A is 1, 2, 3. Now what will be the element of B and C? Let us suppose fx equal to x plus 1 and gx equal to x square, right? Okay, if since f defined from A to B, therefore f1 equal to 1 plus 1, 2, f2 equal to 2 plus 1, 3, and f3 equal to 3 plus 1, 4, right? For B to C, means since B to C is a function G, so B to C, G2 equal to 2 to the 4, G3 equal to 3 to the 9, and G4 equal to 4 to the 16. 2 to 4, 3 to 9, and 4 to 16. So then G composition F is this. This is defined by as G composition F. Why? Let us see. Since by help of this G of F equal to G this means function F is inside G. Here F is independent function and G is dependent. Why? G is coming in front inside the F, right? So like the example, I can tell you that pen and riffle. The pen's grip is G and riffle is F. Since the grip, the whole pen is depend on the riffle. So G of fx equal to x plus 1 and gx plus 1, you will put here x plus 1 whole square, right? Now let us verify this G of f equal to 4, 9, 16. Why? If I will put G equal to 1, x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, you can put here G of f. If we put here x equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2 square means 4. If you will put x equal to 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 square equal to 9. If you will put x equal to 3, 3 plus 1 whole square equal to 16. Hence, this is G of f, right? Now let us see f composition G. F composition G. F composition G. F of G. Let G A to B, and F is defined by B to C. Since Gx equal to x plus 1 and Fx equal to 2x, right? Therefore, we have to find out F of G, means F of G. Let us understand this by help of this diagram, right? Since G define A to B, this is A, this is B, this is C, right? Let A is 1, 2, 3. So therefore, by help of this definition, and B will be 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 1, you will put here 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 2, 2 related with 3, 3 related with 4. This one. Let us see from B to C. The function defined from B to C is fx equal to 2x. Function defined by fx equal to 2x. So you will put 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, and 4 to the 8. 2 to 4, 3 to 6, and 4 to 8. Now this A to C is defined as F composition G. Let us see how it. Okay. Since F composition G equal to F of Gx. Here Gx is dependent function, independent function, and F is dependent function, because you are just combining function G inside F, right? Therefore, F of Gx equal to x plus 1. Now function F is defined by this. Therefore, you will put x plus 1 in place of x in this. So twice of x plus 1, right? Let us verify this. Why f of g defined by A to C? If you will put f of g 1 means x equal to, you will put 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 4. You are getting 4. If you will put x equal to 2, f of g2 will be, by help of this, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 to the 6. If you will put f g of 3, means g3 equal to f of g3, and you will put here finally 3 plus 1, 4, 4 to the 8. Just so function f of g is defined by A to C like that. It means this is f of g, fog function. So thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Hello friend. Today I will tell you the composition of function theorem number first. Right? Theorem first, if f a to b, a function defined from A to B and g b to c are 1 1, then g of f means Gauss function A to C is also 1 1. Means if these two are 1 1, so we have to find out that Gauss function is also 1 1. Let us see, as we know by the definition, if any function is 1 1, right, we write let the function f is 1 1, so you can write fx1 equal to fx2. If I am getting x1 equal to x2, it means function f is 1 1. For checking of g, let gx1 equal to gx2. If x1 equal to x2, it means function g is 1 1. Same way, we have to apply this definition. Since we have to prove that g of f is 1 1, so I will write let g of f x1 equal to g of f x2 implies g f x1 by the definition, by the rule g of f x2. As we know that since a g function is a 1 1, since g is 1 1, g is 1 1, so gx1 equal to gx2 implies x1 equal to x2. Here in place of x1 what is there? fx1 equal to fx2, right? What is inside the g? It will be here. If here is x1 x2, there implies x1 equal to x2. In place of x1 x2 here is fx1 equal to fx2, so you can write fx1 equal to fx2, right? Everybody clear? Since g is 1 1, gx1 equal to gx2 implies x1 equal to x2. You know already this, right? Okay, since f is also, since now f is 1 1, so therefore fx1 equal to, since fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. Hence it is clarified that cof function is also 1 1. Therefore GOF is also 1 1. Okay. Now come to the theorem number 2nd. Hello friend. Now we'll discuss theorem number 2nd. If f a to b and g b to c are onto function, are onto means a and f and g both are given you onto, then g of f a to c is also onto. We have to show that this, right? Let I have three set a b c, right? So we have to prove that fg of f a to c is also onto. Let us consider, let z belong to c. Let z belong to c means all element of z belong to c. Okay. For every let for every y belong to b are the pre-image of, are the pre-image of y, pre-image of b. That is, you can write g y equal to z, right? Means image of all element of set B are in set C, right? Okay. Since we have given you function g is onto, so gy equal to z, right? Function f is also onto, since fx also fx equal to 1 for every y belong to b and x belong to a, right? Since f is onto, right? Here also, since g is onto. Now G composition F. G composition means Z of fx equal to Z of fx. Since fx onto, so each element fx is y, gy, right? Gy equal to z, right? It means all elements of A are related with C. That is, no element in C is left. Hence, G composition F is on 2. Okay. Now come to the theorem number 3rd. Let F A to B, G B to C, and H C to D. Then we have to prove that H of G of F equal to H of G of F. Okay, let us see. LHS equal to H of G of F equal to H of G fx. You may write G of F equal to G of fx. Now H of G of x written as H into G of fx. Same way in the right hand side, H of G of f. At first, like this, H of G of fx means fx. Now H of G this, so H, G will inside this H, this one. What is this? Both are same. So therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. Okay. Today I will tell you frequently asked question. Question first, if f r to r means real number to real number is defined by fx equal to 3x plus 2. Find f of fx in first question. In second question, f r to r is defined by fx equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Find f of fx. Let us see one by one these all question. Okay, now the solution of the first one. First answer. First, okay, fx equal to this, you have to find out f of fx. Means f of fx. What is fx? Fx is 3x. Inside f you will write 3x plus 2. Now again you have to find out f of 3x plus 2. Means whatever you will put in the function you will get. If you will put f2, you will put in place of x 3 into 2 plus 2. If you will put fl, you will get fl equal to 3l plus 2. If you will put fm equal to 3m plus 2. If you will put f 3x plus 2 in place of x here, you will get the corresponding result. So therefore f, you will put this here. 3 into in place of x, you will put 3x plus 2 equal to 3 is a 9x plus 6 plus 2. Okay, 9x plus 8. This is f of fx. Let us see answer number second. F r to r defined by fx equal to this. You have to find out f of fx. Means f of fx means you can write f of fx. What is fx? Fx is 3 minus 3 cube 1 by 3. Now you have to find out f of 3 minus 3 cube whole power 1 by 3. In place of x you will put this value. So this equal to, in place of x you will put 3 minus x cube, 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. In place of x, 3 minus, in place of you are putting here 3 minus x cube. X means 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 means its cube. Its cube is 3. 3 cancel. You will get 3 minus 3 plus x cube. 3 cancel. You will get x cube. This is the answer. So thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.